Hello, you are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. The question is saying that find the length of QX in the diagram below. This is the diagram. And the question wants you to find the length of QX. Now, what is the length of QX? Is from this side to this side. So with this very particular question, you have to be very strategic. What do I mean by that? You have the length of PR. Okay, you have an angle here, you have an angle here. So how do you go about with it? Now you need to understand the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. You ask yourself, which one are you going to use? So let's work with this abbreviation. You have what you call all right? The S is sine, so you have sine theta equal to opposite, which is the O, over the hypotenuse, all right? Then you have the which is cos theta equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. All right, then you have the tan theta, which is the opposite over the adjacent. Now, can we look at it separately? Look at it very carefully. Now you have this information. So what you can do is that probably you pull this one out so that you find the length of this side. When you get the length of this side, so this is what I mean. You know, you have 30 here, you have 8 centimeters here. So what you are trying to do is to find this side. So let's look at it based on what we have over here. Now this is 90 degrees 90, okay? So this side is the hypotenuse and this side becomes what? The opposite, where the angle is. So you come and look through which one. So you realize that you are going to use sine theta. So sine, the angle is what? So it becomes sine 30 equal to, let's say that this side is M. So you have M opposite over hypotenuse, which in this case is 8. Okay, so what is sine 30? Let me use the calculator. Sine 30, which is 1 over 2, is the same as 0.5. So you have 1 over 2 equal to M on 8. So what you can do is that you can cross multiply, or maybe you find the LCM and multiply 2 by each term. Here you have 4, here you cancel, okay? So you have 4 times 1, which gives you 4, you have M. Therefore, meaning that this side is 4. Now, having gotten the dimension, let me bring in the unit is centimeters, okay? So that means that you can now pull this diagram out. I hope you are following. Now, when you pull this diagram out, this side becomes the 4 meters, all right, and this side is 50. Notwithstanding, we want Q and S, that is just this side. So how do we go about with this? Now this side has become what? The opposite, but we want this side, and this side will become the hypotenuse. This is what you are looking for. So this is adjacent. So what works with opposite and adjacent is this one, tan theta. So you have tan theta, which is equal to opposite over the adjacent. But what is the angle? Is tan 50, all right? And what is the opposite? Is 4. What is this side that you are looking for? You can say that probably P. So P. Now what is tan 50? Tan 50, what do you have? That is 1.1917 equal to 4 on P. Okay, so what are you going to do? You can multiply both sides by P so that this side will cancel. Then after that, this now has become the coefficient of P. So you divide both sides by 1.1917. All right, so 1.197 like this here, 1.1917 here. This one will cancel. So at the end of the day, we have, that is 4 divided by 1.1917. And what do you have? You have 3.3565. All right. Don't forget the unit. So it's centimeters. Then that will become the length of what? QX. As simple